The cactus's leaves. The panda was a photographer. He wanted to photograph all kinds of leaves, and then he would have a leaf exhibition. Then the animals could know about the leaves, he thought. One day he went to take photos in the open air. First he photographed the leaves of the maple, which are red in autumn. They looked like children's little palms. Then he photographed the willow leaves. They were crescent, like our eyebrows. And then the pine leaves, which were sharp like needles. The poplar leaves looked like peaches. Cypress leaves looked odd, for they were like fish scales piled together. And the ginkgo leaves were interesting. They were like fans. After taking so many photos, the panda decided to go back. But when he was going, he suddenly heard someone calling him. He turned back and found a cactus. The cactus said,
"Photographer Panda, you haven't taken a picture of me yet. You see, I have leaves too."
The cactus answered,
"I'm not kidding. The splinters are my leaves."
"Oh, I've never heard of that,"
the panda said.
"That's definitely true. Now let me tell you about it. Many years ago we had big leaves too. But our hometown is in the desert, and it's so hot and dry there. It seldom rains in the desert. So we need to treasure every drop of water. But leaves can evaporate the water in our bodies, and the larger leaves we have, the more water we need. Then we tried to grow smaller leaves to stop the water from evaporating. They have been changing till now they've become splinters."
"It sounds reasonable,"
the panda said.
"but leaves are used for drawing sunlight and making nourishment. Your leaves are so small. How can it draw sunlight?"
The cactus said with a smile,
"Can you see that my body is green? It's my body that draws sunlight and makes nourishment directly, so it's just the same."
Then the panda took out his camera and took one picture of the cactus, which had special leaves.